Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I'll be discussing how to grow a very small account like this 0.42 USD and to grow it to a bigger account using the small gains that I've always talked about. Yes, I've shown you most of the traders just do normally just edit the account, and I've done it on several videos illustrating how they do it. That's why I normally tell you, do not get the pressure of seeing people just succeeding. So just aim to get those smaller smaller gains, and over and over they will become more and more. So you can see I will be trading this 0.42 USD, and I will try to grow it to around 50 USD, 80 USD, if possible 100. So it will be determined by how the changes of the market will be. So most traders look at them when we talk about trading over under or trading digits over under. We are like now targeting this a small account which we have started with 0.42 and targeting more than 50 USD and above. We will use just this simple strategy of looking at the percentages. So most of the traders just overlook it, and we are not just trading randomly. As you can see me, you can see I'm not entering the market blindly. I'm waiting for some conditions, then I run. I click over. So not just doing it randomly. There are some things I'm waiting to observe, then I click over. So we are not just trading randomly. So what we are looking at is that we are looking at their 100 tick past history percentage data. So all the digits from digit 0 to 9, that's 100 tick past tick history data, percentage data. So that's what we are using now to find the best over under trades. So for mobile users, I know Deriv's interface. That's why we came up with tradeprofx.co.ke. That's why we came up with tradeprofx.co.ke, which is the same thing I'm using here on laptop. Despite that, even if I was using the normal Deriv interface on a laptop, it shows the percentages just similarly this. But for mobile users, go to that tradeprofx.co to see the live cursor movements as we trade. So understanding the over under contract type is very essential, very much. That's why sometimes I normally encourage you guys to search for mentorship classes and get that concept to know what is the person observing. So what am I observing? Not everything is talked about here when we are illustrating something. Some things are just for encouraging you guys, and some of the conditions are for premium classes. So basically, to go just direct, so we are predicting the over market, and the certain number that we are predicting, as you can see on screen, I chose digit over 2. So I am winning with if the last digit is digit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and that's what is appearing on screen anytime I win like that. And then that digit appears if it appears above digit 2. So if anytime I lose and the digit appears as 0, 1 or 2, I will definitely lose that trade, and it will be so unfortunate because I'm compounding my stake. It will be so unfortunate, so I must adhere to all the conditions and that I know of trading over 2. So most of the over 2 strategies I've just told you, and I've taught on this channel. So go look at the over 2 strategy, manual trading strategies. There are so many I've posted here. So if you are in need of trading manual, you can do the same, and you can try your best to combine all those strategies. If you want mentorship, you can just DM so that I can show you the most crucial things that one normally observe if you want to understand. So most traders look at the most appearing digit and blindly trade it. That's where most of the traders go wrong, because the Deriv plays on traders' emotions. So the trick is to analyze the digits near the most appearing digit, and then we trade over trades. So as you can see, I'm just focusing on one condition, which is the 11% and above for the 1000 past percentages. So remember, these 0 to 9 is analyzing their 1000 ticks past history. So for example, if you see what I'm trading, I'm looking at digit 1, and here what sorry for the network interruption. So we can proceed now. You can see still the digit 1 is still the highest most appearing digit, so it's good, we can proceed. But based on the percentages, they have changed despite that one being there. So we observe digit 9 below 10%, no issue. So my entry will now change from to enter at digit 4. So anytime that cursor clicks digit 4, that's why when I will click over. So looking at digit 8, that's with above 10. So with digit 4 is the appropriate digit to make my entry using. But now if we use the others that as we were doing, we might have also digit 4, that's a win at 48. So we increase our stake, that's our agenda. So we are nearing the $50. So and then we can call it a day. So we proceed again, that's the entry at 67. So again we wait again for another entry. Yes, we reach at 80, we can say we have traded very well. So that's another entry at 92.54 USD. We can see all those are clean wins. It's very easy to grow your account using the small gains. Yes, so we are observing just the percentages. So in case you see, especially trade when the digit 0 and 9 are above 10%, at least if you are making entries using the last 3 digits, that's for digit 2. So you can try it on your demo accounts before you go try it on your real account. That's what I say. If it works for you, proceed using it. You can see the digit 4 and 1 have started now. We cannot trade, so it's not best for us to trade because those shifts of the market have begun. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and comment, like, subscribe and share the video. So we won't proceed, let's just end from there. I don't think I can see an entry from here. You can see now digit 4 is the one appearing as the most appearing digit. So we just avoid this now. We just avoid this and call it a day. So guys, go try that. If you found this video helpful, subscribe as I've told you, like and share. So bye guys, let's meet in the next video and continue sharing and asking any question in case you want. In case you have any question, you can see the digit, the green cursor is not going back to digit 1. Yes, we could predict our entry using a Fontaine USD, but I don't see any entry from there. So we just call it a day. We have moved this account from 0.42 to now currently at 92.54 USD. It's very possible to grow your account. Yes, just observe at those key points. If you need more knowledge, you can just always contact me. I see an entry. Wow, perfect. Bye.